Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with another fully funded scholarship opportunity for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs at King Abdulaziz University, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So, if you are looking for a fully funded scholarship opportunity, then do watch this video till the end. We will share all the details about the scholarship, the financial coverage, the eligibility criteria, and application process in detail. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can receive regular updates regarding scholarships, fellowships, internships, and exchange programs abroad. So let us begin with today's video. First of all, we have opened the official website of King Abdulaziz University, Saudi Arabia. I will share the link of this website in video description and you can access it from there. In the website page, we can see the details about the university, what the scholarship is offering. We will see the details later. University facilities, the programs offered. First of all, they are offering diploma in Arabic language. They are offering undergraduate, that is BS programs. They are also offering postgraduate, that is masters and PhD programs on a fully funded scholarship for international students. So why you should choose King Abdulaziz University? It have an international community. It has a perfect location in Saudi Arabia and a very good ranking nationally and internationally as well. So they have 70 diploma international students, 2000 bachelor students from different countries, 160 master students, and 90 PhD students already studying there. So you can check out all these details on the front page of their official website. Moving towards the financial coverage provided by the scholarship, just click on more and you will be redirected to this page. The study services and benefits. Receiving new students at the airport, so they definitely provide a privilege to their students by receiving them at the airport. Financial benefits of the scholarships are: offer a reward of arrival allowance, provide regular students with annual tickets and compensate newcomers, follow up of award related financial procedures until they got organized, provide university students with emergency subsidies and financial aid, employ some of the scholarship students. Javazat, they also provide financial assistance related to documents renewal, passport renewal, and visa reissuance. Sustenance, provide suitable accommodation to the scholarship students and follow up their status and their places of residence during their academic year to find solutions in case they face any problems. Offer low cost food. So they also cover your health care by providing a suitable health insurance to all the students. Academic follow-up of students' academic status, assist stumbling students and find solutions for the problem that they face in cooperation with KAU concerned academic departments, honor outstanding students and encourage the continuation of their excellence. So it is a fully funded scholarship and covers all your financial needs during your degree program. So moving towards how to apply for the scholarship, you simply need to click here on Apply Now tab. Once you click here, you will be redirected to this page where they have mentioned all the programs they are offering. They have Arabic language diploma. If you are interested in learning Arabic language, then you should proceed with this diploma, which is intended for speakers of other languages and aims to teach them Arabic language and its culture. So if you are interested in diploma, you will simply click here on Apply Now. If you are interested to apply for BS programs, you will simply click here on Apply Now. But if you are interested for masters and PhD programs, you will just click here. So let me open up the application portal for MS and PhD as an example. Yes, the page is now opened. We have the graduate programs. Either you can apply for a PhD program or you can apply for the master's program. So I'll just click on apply for a PhD program. Alright, the new tab has opened which mentions all the details about the graduate programs, as we have selected the PhD programs. So different programs are available for Doctor of Philosophy, PhD. We have Faculty of Science, Engineering, Meteorology, Environment and Arid Land Agriculture, Computing and Information Technology, Environmental Designs and Marine Sciences. So different programs are available. You need to check out if your program of interest is available in the list. Then you need to see the entry requirements. The students must not be older than 35 years. Students must obtain a recognized qualification in his or her own country with a minimum grade very good in case their final degree classifications were awarded in an estimate. Student must obtain a English language test. Either you need to clear the TOEFL or IELTS with 5 bands at least. Students must be of good conduct and medically fit. Student must provide 2 recommendation letters from his or her previous faculty members. Student must not have dismissed from one of the Saudi's institutions. Candidates of Arabic language and literature, Islamic law and studies, sociology, psychology, information science programs must be professional in spoken and written Arabic language. Student must be of good conduct and medically fit. So the requirements are pretty easy. You just need to have an English language test and a good academic score in order to apply for the scholarship. So if you fulfill all the requirements and you have your program of interest, you just need to click on apply now. Once you click here, you have 2 options. Either if you have an account, you just need to click on login, and if you need to create a new account, you will click here on create an account. You just need to mention your email here. Once you mention your email and click on register, they will send you this message will pop up that the registration process has been completed successfully. Your username and password has been sent to you on your email. So you just need to go back and click on login, and you must have received an email mentioning the username created by them and a password. So you just need to copy and paste both of these here in order to start your scholarship application. So I'm just copying and pasting the information here and click login. Once you click login, you will move towards the actual application portal where you need to fill up all the information related to your personal data, your education, your programs of interest, and you need to upload all the files that are required by them, and then you need to confirm the submission of your application. So first of all, you need to enter your name, father name, grandfather and family name, nationality, passport number. Make sure that you have a valid passport before applying for the scholarship, as it requires a passport information, the expiration date, date of birth, place of birth, last degree, gender, religion, marital status, email, mobile number, address. So once you complete all the information, you can move to the next tab. Alright, so we need to mention all the information before moving to the next tab. Alright, once you fill up all your personal details, you just need to click on save and continue, and you will be redirected to this education tab. Here you need to mention from where you completed your graduation, means your last degree, from which university you have done your last degree. Then you need to mention the college, means the department, and the major, your area of specialization. So you need to fill up all this information here, your year of graduation. So I'll just do it quickly. So you need to mention these details. Then you need to provide the score of your English language test. Here you have IELTS, so you can mention here. If you don't have any of the English language test, you can also mention that I don't have an English language test. So if you have IELTS, you can just mention here exam date. So it should be between the last 2 years, as the duration of IELTS is of 2 years. So you just need to mention here the certificate number. Okay, now you need to select your program of interest. um, in whatever program you are interested, you just need to select the program. So I'm selecting PhD in biology. Save and continue. So here is the most important page where you need to upload all the documents, including your passport, your graduation certificate, means the certificate of your last degree, your transcript, English language exam test, recommendation 1, recommendation 2. You need to have 2 recommendation letters from the professors or teachers that know you well. Your CV, make sure that your CV is designed in European format. If you don't have a European format CV, you can just create a new one from Europass website. You need to upload the statement of purpose, personal photo, and other documents if you deem important. So in the beginning you submit your documents without attestation, and after final acceptance you have to attest it. In the beginning you submit your documents without attestation. Again, repetition, required for all majors except for Islamic and Arabic programs. So after uploading all the files, you just need to click next, and then you will confirm the submission of your application. In this way you can apply for the scholarship at King Abdulaziz University. So the process is quite easy, and the requirements are also pretty suitable for all the students. So if you want to apply for master's program, you can visit the master's program tab. If you are interested in BS programs, you can click on BS programs also. So this was all about the King Abdulaziz University Scholarship details. I have shared all the details. If you still have any confusions or queries, feel free to comment down the video and I will definitely try to help. So good luck with your application. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more opportunities. So with that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.